The beautiful diamond pattern in macrame is formed by creating a series of double half-hitch knots with a simple square knot inside each one. If you'd like to practice either your double half-hitch knot or your square knot, please see my video tutorials by the same names. Your diamond pattern can be any width. In this tutorial I'm using 5 lark's head knots. Take your middle lark's head knot and split in 2. Using the right hand strand as your filler cord, tie 4 double half-hitch knots going downwards in a diagonal slope. Repeat the process on the left, using the left hand strand of your middle lark's head knot as your filler cord. Ignoring the 2 filler cords, tie a square knot in the middle. Adjust all the loose strands inside the square knot before continuing. Now continue your row of double half-hitch knots, this time going down and towards the centre right. Make sure you use the cords in chronological order. Connect your diamond at the bottom by using one of your filler cords to wrap around the other filler cord. In my example, I've continued my line coming from the right, therefore I will use the right filler cord as my filler cord in this final knot. Using the same 2 filler cords as above, continue the process to make more diamonds. I hope you enjoyed learning this macrame knot with me today, so please hit subscribe for more mindful macrame knot videos and tutorials. You can also check out my website or Etsy store to see my full kits that contain all materials and full instructions where everything is cut to size for you in advance, leaving you to focus on the fun parts of the learning and the creating. I love to see pictures of your work, so please follow and tag us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to follow me for more inspiration and details of any upcoming in-person and virtual workshops.